At the beach again today. I've got Cailen with me today and obviously Laitin. Hi guys, we took the FIAT for another drive. We've done the spark plugs and oh my god, she drives so well now. So well. I'll be sad to see her go. Just remember she's up for sale. Message me if you're interested. She's a gorgeous little car. Laitin! You're done now, you're wet. Ah! Get off me! No, I don't want to be wet and you're going to be cold now. Because Cailen's down in the water, he wants to be. Where you knew the other day in the video I could keep him out of the water. But Cailen's playing with the waves too. Getting wet and look at me funny. Playing Russian roulette with the waves. Always ends badly. Used to end badly for Lil and Cailen. They're the same that way. End up being wet. Now he's literally trying to get wet, jumping into the water. All cold. And you'll whinge in the car that is cold. Cailen brought this to the beach for himself, but you watch this. Laitin actually, I can throw it and he'll go fetch it and bring it back, and it took him like 2 goes to get the idea of it. Ready? He didn't see where it went. Take 2. Okay, take 2, you ready? Good boy. Good boy. Give it here. Good boy. And again. Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Give it here. Give it here. Nah, Good boy. You want it again? Wow, he's ignoring the dogs. He doesn't normally ignore... Oh, here we go. Can't ignore that big one. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. Here. Here it is. You want it again? What a good boy. Good boy. Bring it here. Good boy. Give it here. Hot dog. Mr. Cailen has taken off again without me knowing. Into the bloody... Oh, his pants are down. Oh, God. All because of a stick. Now he's saturated. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can you see that? He's not even worrying about his pants anymore. He's absolutely saturated. And I'm going to have to video in the car because you watch. He'll be whinging the whole way home. I'm wet. And Lily was exactly the same. Okay, Laitin, another one. Ready? Go! Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Gonna give it to me? No? No, you had enough. He's probably exhausted. Look, he's trying to dig it. Oh, you want to put it in a hole. Dogs dig holes, I believe, to be cool. So the ground underneath is cool, so you dig a hole to get in it. So he's too hot. He's had enough. Look at this kid. He's like saturated. The shirt's wet now. I bet his undies are saturated. Unbelievable. Kid who didn't want to come to the beach. Come on, I want to go home. Look how wet he is. Come on. No. Had enough. Don't forget your shovel. You know there won't be Spears Point Park now, right?
I don't know too much fun here.
I know. Look at you. You're friggin' covered.
Yeah, you cannot even see them.
Are your undies nice and wet? Do they feel comfortable? How comfortable do they feel out of 10?
Well, I feel stronger. I feel stronger.
Oh. Okay, we're heading home with Mr. Drench and Dog Drenched. Everyone drenched. Oh, let's see what we can do when we get to the car. I know Addie's got clothes in the boot if they're still there. So there we go. We're walking back. I've got my shoes on. He was unable to put his shoes on because he's too wet and too sandy, so he's having to walk on this horrible stuff with bare feet. But anyway, that's the price you pay. Because I had to deal with Cailen being extremely wet, lucky we had a spare jumper in the car, so he literally had a jumper on top and his jacket on the bottom, no underwear to get home. But we're home again now. I thought I'd come out and show you the fancy FIAT, because what's the point in putting it on as a FIAT video if there's no FIAT in the video? But yeah, remember, she's up for sale. If you want her, just contact me. Runs extremely well. I love it. See you on the next one.